kwihorwa kubanza rwesande hwire empungi ziri kurenga mu 13 nizo zitahira mu ihanga rya Uganda ubwe bari Congo rutaro rwa hato rusimbira amakando mu ihanga rya Congo ahagati y'abahekera ba ADF hamwe na M23. Lieutenant Mate Magwara umuhezi wa RDC habwa district ya Kasese kandi rukujunanizibwa habwisha ziri yabukonjo umukuganiraho na TV West ashabira Abatuura ngo batatwariza kuba impungezi.
We have so far done the screening, both medical, security, and we have recorded them so that we know how many they are, which age groups they are, so that we are able to assess their needs. We have a health team on ground to handle medication, except for referrals.
Ogunagaruka shaba Abatuura bari hamwatano gwa Uganda na Congo ngo bazahabujuramisho abahekera batakija okutaha mu ihanga. David Mugenyo korwa mu office y'enganzi y'ihanga nagira ngo bayono bakorekera kubasika kureba ngwe impungezi zatunga buri kimwe.
We have put down all the basic services are in place, of which include health, food, meals. Here we are, asylum seekers are getting hot meal. Then also have a team of medical workers.
We need, of course, to continue to be vigilant, especially along the areas of the border. I know there are several of them still being held in homes of relatives and friends. I would like to encourage that those in homes should be brought to the temporary holding area.
Abatuura bino kwerarikirira habumbaro gw'empungi kugumanwa yongera kwizo mu Uganda.
They choose to become a refugee. They just came without their expectation. The wrong elements came to their area and they had to flee from them. So when they come to our side, let us be as much as possible welcoming to them, give them the necessary comfort they deserve.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.